You want
Yes.
It's there already.
I know, I'm waiting for that thing to move so I can put it there.
Oh. Good night. Happy Thursday, Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday. Good evening, kings and queens.
Come on in, kings and queens. How y'all doing? What's up? Come on in. Patricia, how you doing? Pauline. Phyllis, how you doing? How you doing? Good night. Willett. Oh, two Patricias.
Yeah,
Patricia.
Michelle.
Yeah, Michelle's.
Pat
Williams. Sandra Clark, how you doing? Patricia James, how you doing?
Right.
Welcome. Have a seat. We're out here to talk up some things tonight, yes? And to make some things clear. Yes, Keisha, how you doing, beautiful Keisha? How you doing, Queen? Yeah, Raquel. Sonia.
Raquel,
how you doing? Roxanne, Tashi, yes. Patricia James, Pat Williams. Come on in. How y'all doing?
Big up.
Yes, before we get Suzette, good night. Marilyn, how you doing? My daughter said chocolate and vanilla, yummy. Yummy for your tummy. No,
big up your daughter.
No, big up your daughter. Eileen. Andreen. Big up yourself. Good evening, everyone. Welcome. Rose Keller. Nadine Jackson. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real. Yes. Pamela Scott. Cynthia Sinclair. How you doing? Yes. Marilyn, you're laughing at us. All right, before we get out of here tonight, we're going to give away a little bit of credit at the end. Yeah, we have some things that we need to talk about first and get off of our chests, because I'm not into playing no hypocrisy games around here.
Andy.
And I hope that I have some followers we have some followers that's been following us before I came out with the skit Master Baker.
Since day one.
Yes, it's you know, not even since day one, but prior to me coming out with the character Master Baker. I hope I have some of you guys in the audience tonight. That way, when we I have to take us back a little bit before I get to what I want to say tonight. So we're gonna walk back to when I just started coming live. When I just started coming live, let Keisha. Oh, Keisha, you was all right. Yes, man. I need some people in the audience. Desna, big up yourself. Good night.
Anisha.
Good night. Good night, Anisha. Yes. I need some people who don't be afraid to tell me if I'm lying, as long as you do it respectfully. All right? As long as you can disagree with me, but as long as, you do it respectfully, because I'm not here to disrespect anyone. No. And you have a right to call me out if you think I'm lying. Okay? Yes.
Or think we're wrong.
All right? That's where it is. Ardet, good night. Merlene Isaac, big up yourself, Queen. Before I get into it, though, I want to take this opportunity. I wanted to come and do this during Stacey Campbell's birthday. I actually wanted to do it around that time. I just didn't get the chance to. But tonight I just want to say happy belated birthday to you. I know I said happy birthday to you already, Stacey, but I just want to say that to you again tonight. And just to tell you the amazing person that you are. A lot of you all know Stacey on social media, But
Stacey, there she is. Pick up yourself, Queen.
Stacey Campbell, you stay right there, Stacey. Don't you move.
Don't go anywhere.
Because
Queen.
I just want to put it out there that Stacey is such a beautiful person.
Beautiful soul.
Beautiful soul. Stacey has never called us, not once. No matter how you see Stacey go on social media, not once Stacey ever call us to talk about anybody on social media. If Stacey knows that me feel sick, she call me, auntie, you're good. Just checking on you. I love you guys. What I appreciate about you, Stacey, is the genuine love you have for your auntie.
Absolutely.
Big up yourself, because I could have won somebody I watch you. You get your message across. You know we're not in the bunch of profanity. So when we step in, we just send up a art, and we keep it moving and allow you to do your thing. You understand? And that's what you know about us. But I just want to tell people the beautiful soul that you are.
Very.
And what I love when Stacey, the first time Stacey called me, she said, me love the planka boss,
yes.
you know.
Yes.
So just know
auntie.
she have a lot of love for auntie, and she love what she does. You know, people always say, idolize auntie as like God, but no, it's the work too. We don't just love her, we love the work that she does, the lives that she impacts, and Stacey share those same sentiments as we. I just want to tell you, Stacey, you are a real one, and you never waver. And and it's not about crowd for you. It's not about monetization for you. It's about speaking your truth. And thank you for being the person that you are to us off of social media. Just always checking in.
On us.
And say, if it's even, I love your aunties, big up yourself. We don't take it for granted, and we appreciate it. Big up yourself, and I hope you had an amazing birthday. And Stacey, may I go send you your planka boss cake, yes? For your birthday again this year. Don't you forget that, yes. All right?
Hope you had a blessed birthday, Stacey.
Yeah.
Keep being you. Love to watch you sing, love to watch you dance. So keep being you. We love you, Queen.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Hope you enjoyed your
real
love.
Yeah, real girl. Real queen right there. Yes. So all right, let me get into it now. And like I said, I hope I have some followers here that's been following us prior to Master Baker. And know that all we used to do, come out here, we entertain, we give away credits, we do a praise and worship. Back then, I don't remember if we did our praise and worship as consistently as we do it now. I don't remember. We did. We did? Yeah, we did.
It was every Sunday
but we
night
had a
thing.
Party night too.
We did.
We had a party.
We had Sunday was praise and worship. Wednesday we would come out and talk, and then Saturday we would party.
Okay. All right. So the first time I came out here, I'll never forget it, in defense of the injustice that I saw against the lady. She don't mind me saying her name. Against Auntie, I came out and I addressed everyone because it was like a gang banging situation, right? I come out and I speak my truth. And I speak on what I've noticed. And I thought it was wrong, still think it's wrong. Okay? Just like everybody else on social media. I figured I had a platform. I have a platform. I'm going to use it. no matter how small it is, maybe she'll hear, maybe she won't. It wasn't about that. It was about doing what I thought was right. Because when you go after her, you're not just going after her, you're going against the people that she's trying to help. And these are people who are less fortunate in our country, that this lady took it upon herself in trying to help these people out of their situations. That touched my heart. You know, that just moved me, because I've never seen anything on such a level. Don't get me wrong. I wasn't naive. I knew that people were going to come out at me, because this is social media. They're going to curse me, people that doesn't like her. I was expecting that. A few times I came out and I responded to a few people it's always in comedy, you know, make fun of them coming after us. You understand? At one point, it got a little serious, because I felt one of them had somebody come on them platform and accuse Vanilla and I, and we took it to our attorney. Yes, that's the only time it got serious, because we were accused, knowing that we're business women. We didn't want an accusation like that could impact our image. You understand? So, anyways, I went. This is my first time even saying this guy's name on my platform, and I'm not saying it out of anything no disrespect to him. No. First time he's saying it. At that time, Ashanti was going at Auntie Donna, and I've never heard him came on his platform to respond to that live. If it happened, I've never heard it.
Me either.
Okay. After that, I heard about a cake war, right? And I'm like, cake war? Never know nothing about no cake war. What kind of cake war I go on? So I go over YouTube and I type, you know, me hear the person name what them say of a cake war against Your Majesty and Auntie. Because I like to take hearsay, I like to go look for things myself and try to get the facts. When I go, I find a whole bunch of videos, not just with her going at them too, but a lot of people. None of my business. You understand? Me just really want to find out if there was a cake war. I said, this is dumb. This cake war thing is stupid. Me as a person will love to entertain. I say, you know what me I gonna do? Me I gonna create a character called Master Baker. And me I gonna take Master Baker, and I gonna pull from everybody with the on the internet act like, you know, I go at each other, and Master Baker, I got embody those people. Everybody. Not just one. Everybody. So if you can recall, you'll recall that I did a skit with Ashanti in my garage. Yes? In a BMW in my garage, making fun at him. The only reason why I did that was because he had some lady on his platform, and she sounded like she had a southern accent, and she come for me, right? So I was like, I'm not in any back and forth. Me not go close nobody, class nobody. What me I go do? I make comedy of the fun of the situation. Yes, you remember, Latoya? Thank you. So far, me not tell the lie. All right. So when Master Baker come out for just make fun of the whole thing, all them drama we're going on social media, as well as having fun with Auntie and Your Majesty, you know, as a rival, going against them, of me attorney, we turn Miss Richie into Auntie's attorney.
Yes. Yes.
If
you guys remember, I was representing Vanilla Biscuit, was representing Master Baker, and Miss Richie was representing Auntie Donna. We did a split screen.
And Fernando was supposed to be Your Majesty.
Yes, Fernando was supposed to be Your Majesty.
Your Majesty attorney.
Yes,
right?
Fernando.
We say we are going to make the cake season festive, and Master Baker can transform into whomever she wants to transform into.
Now remember, Master Baker was suing Auntie Donna for everything she had.
Everything.
And suing Your Majesty for everything he had, including his ring that he got from Cousin.
If you don't recall, Master Baker even came in a skit as Paula, collecting money, drop it in our bag, yes, and I say, bless you, bless you. Who remember that skit there? Okay, so Master Baker wasn't about one person.
No.
It was to bring laughter to the internet instead of everybody, the war and everybody going kind of like a distraction from all of that for not escape and have something to laugh about. When I came out the first time in defense of Auntie, this person, Pep, I knew she saw it, but she never come at me that time. She waited until I came out as Master Baker to try and own the character Master Baker, right? Yes, she found an opening and somebody that she could have take said pan. Because as she came out, and like everybody else of them 2 cents for say, about me, class me, do whatever you want, you could have done that and move on. But absolutely no, she did not. Because Master Baker is a baker, right? No matter what, me not understand how Master Baker could be a baker and no bake. Huh? That no make no sense. Yes? Me inject her into Master Baker. Every time me inject her into Master Baker is when she come out for we and delete the live them. That's the only times we act her out in a Master Baker. We never act out our child or anybody for her in a Master Baker. When Vanilla came as a student, when Vanilla dressed up in her little outfit, she came as a student. Because Master Baker say she big now, she turn international, everybody want her, so them send student to her. Correct me if me wrong, if me lie. I've heard somebody on them platform accuse we of we coming out against Pep. First, we are the troublemaker. Well, I'm here to clear that for you. If you started watching us doing Master Baker, you would think so. But it's not so. Not so. Numerous times she came out for us and we never responded.
For a whole entire week.
For a whole entire week.
She talked about us and we never responded. Never responded. There are a lot of times she talks about us and we do not respond to Pep.
Never. Right. Pep sit down over there and Pep say we are the foursome. Because Pep don't know what it's like to have love in her life and to live with people and to have good relationships with people that are non-sexual. I would never, even if my husband, God forbid, pass away tonight, I would never be with anybody who's related to him, not even cousin.
That's not happening.
You understand? I've never looked at Vanilla in a sexual way.
No.
May have other friends back home that we're just as close and never look at Vanilla in a sexual way. These are the disgusting things that the sick mind talked about us, right? She ride with, and it's not because of Master Baker. That was just the opening. It's because who we are associated with. She live power and who we support. She live power. Now me decide that me not come respond to her. Me leave it up to Master Baker. Me not respond to nobody. Me left it up to Master Baker and me not have no control over Master Baker. So whatever happen, take it up with Master Baker. Because chocolate don't have no time for nobody.
And Attorney Biscuit.
All right.
Yes.
Good night, Sandra Blake. Good night, Michelle BBA. All right. I went down memory lane to get to what I actually came for tonight. I always like to give a little history before me get to my point of what me gonna say. We went to the Women's International Award in Canada. Last year was what? 2022?
Yes.
Was it? No, last year, 2022. We went for one reason.
And one reason only.
And one reason
only one.
Only. To support the planker boss and for meet her outside of 99.
And outside of Jamaica as a whole.
And outside of Jamaica as a whole. You understand? That was the number one reason. Number two, Your Majesty, our support of them, that was it.
That was it.
That was it. We got an email to say that we have been nominated for an award next year. I don't know. I don't think I've done anything that deserves an award. Everything I do on this platform are stuff that I was doing in my life before I came to social media.
It's stuff we do outside of social media.
Stuff we do outside of social media.
It's nothing new. It's not something that's new for us.
Right. I'm not gonna be ungrateful though. Thank you.
Thank you.
To the people that nominate us.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
We appreciate it. But tonight I'm here to say big, bold, and serious. And not take back no shot. Cause nobody on social media no pay this girl bills, no make this girl travel, no make this girl do anything that she does. Tonight, I'm gonna turn down that award. I cannot tell Miss Princess where to go. I won't do that.
No.
She has the right as a grown woman to go wherever she wants to go and invite whomever she wants to invite to her award. But I have a choice in where I spend my money, in where I want to be.
And we do not want to be.
I will not spend my money to go to an award if Pep will be in that building. I am disassociating myself from that award tonight.
We're not going.
You understand me?
We will not be there.
This is not only if her and Planka Boss become friends tomorrow morning, my stands remain the same.
Our decision
the decision is the same.
Stay the same.
I will not, never let anyone disrespect me and think that it's okay or I'm gonna normalize that. I will never normalize bad behavior. If you wanted to curse me, you curse me. But when you bring my family into it, when you talk things which the paralegal, because the other day she threatens us to sue us, right? The paralegal been sweeping our platform from ever since. And they sent to me one video. Sarah, big up yourself. You send under there, bingo. Because what she said on her live was, I don't care what you say about chocolate and vanilla over here, whether it's lie or true. We talk whatever we want to talk. That's what Pep said. We have that video and so many more. We have a folder for you. And she thought that her threatening us, we would back down. We live in America too, honey. We know the laws too. We don't live outside of America. We live in America. So tonight again, let me reiterate what that statement Vanilla Maid said. Whenever you're ready, I've dusted off my black suit and we're ready. Nobody intimidates me on social media. I might not come out here and go upon the people. I'm going to come out here, I'm nice to people. But I'm nobody to play with. Understand? So,
hurry up.
My message tonight, respectfully to you, Miss Princess. Thank you so much for your nomination. Thank you for considering us. But tonight, we respectfully have to decline that award. We will not associate ourselves with that award anymore. We will not promote it on our platform anymore. It's not going to stop your business. That's not what we're saying. We don't have that power. And we're not telling you who to talk to, who to visit. You're grown and you have your own marketing strategy. What we have the power of doing, though, is to choose
where we go,
where we spend our money. And I won't apologize for that.
We've come on our platform. We've bought additional tickets. We've given away tickets on
We're not going to talk about what we've done. If you would, you can talk, Vanilla, but I don't feel comfortable in talking what we've done for people. We did that from the heart. We did that in support.
Yes, we did. Yes. We did it from the heart.
I don't want to list what we did.
I brought that up to say that we will not be doing that going forward.
Okay.
That was my point. We've done things in the past in regards to supporting it that we will not continue to do going forward.
No, I will not even go close to that building. I will not spend my good up money, buy a plane ticket, book a hotel, rent a limo, buy my dress, hire a makeup artist to sit in a building with someone despicable like that.
Right.
Not gonna happen. I don't care who want to talk about peace. I never came out here and started any war. And I don't carry people around in my heart. But I'm not going to sit with anyone that goes as low as this person, whom I did not come out and go up under, ever. Ever. I took things and I turned them into comedy. And you can't handle that. Take it up with Master Baker. Never come out here and trouble people. We've never came out here and trouble people. All we came out here to do is show love. But it's because of who we've associated with. We become this target. Yeah? Because people want to tell grown women, independent women as ourselves, who fi talk to, who fi support, who fi love. Not in my cabinet. Not in my cabinet. You dig? You dig? When you cuss my auntie, you not only cuss her. You cuss the people them. What she a try for help. When on a stop her from helping my people them at Jamaica. Me love my country, good, bad, and indifference. On a sit down and on a cuss Jamaica. Every little thing on a cuss the people them down there. There are good people and there are bad people everywhere. They're good in every country. They're bad in every country. Yes, I understand Jamaica's small. And there are a lot of things that can be done differently. But if there were no migration, that's where I would be. That's where you would be. I'm going to sit down and class the people them. And when somebody try to make a difference, I'm going to get up and crucify them too. But I sit with no girl in a no building.
None.
We style up my auntie like that. Take that and bring at the bank and deposit it. And it's about me too, not only about her. Like me say, if she get up tomorrow morning and decide to forgive her and they become BFF, me not going.
We're not going. We won't be there.
Me go upon somebody beach in a somebody country on the day of the award.
Enjoying
in a somebody resort.
Enjoying ourselves.
And me take the money and come by here, come give it away. To the same Jamaican people who wanna love for cuss so badly. And some in a big foreign, so disconnected from Jamaica and its culture. Everything try to compare America with Jamaica, England with Jamaica, Canada with Jamaica. It's a different damn country. If you know, watch me know my culture. You understand? When I know got Jamaica 1 and 2 times in a 50 and 30 years and 10 years, I don't feel like I know about it. No. You understand? Me still know about my culture. Because me know my Jamaican people, them a watch me and them see somebody with weight on. And if me go down to Jamaica and the people them buck up in a chocolate and chocolate maga like a stick. The first thing them out say, what wrong with your chocolate? Jesus. Even family, I can say, what wrong with you? If me go stay with family, them all think me sick. I want to feed me porridge and soup every day. I saw it happen in Jamaica. Them not think about no HIPAA law. Them a think with them heart, them concern when them see you. Sitting must be wrong, man. Because chocolate, it look like somebody when have our weight. I Jamaica, that what me know. I no use that. I no cuss. People will have genuine concern about uno. HIPAA law. You can't talk about somebody's health in private. We not there, them not the America. I wanna come from. You're there Jamaica. And when somebody wagwan fatty. Wagwan. Now some are on because they are foreign now, no say over here. When you call somebody fat, it's an insult to them. So you want to bring in our culture now. And cuss off the people them. Me no want left from America and go America. Keep your little culture where we have down there. Some are on forget and some are on disconnected. Everything on want to compare. Jamaica with big foreign. And cuss off the people them down there. Every little thing. You don't have this, you don't have that. If you don't induct someone up here and not have it, same way. Someone come here and don't make use of it. Anyways. Enough people at Jamaica live better than someone over here. Me know people at Jamaica and have family that would never want to come live over here. Them just want to visit. And gone back at them yard, them nice life. On a disgusting. How she, me sit down and hear class of the people them from Jamaica. And me must go sit down in a building with that. Oh, chocolate? Probably you never heard of me. Huh. In Augusta with me. Me not normalize disrespect. Me no make no man verbally abuse me. Or nobody verbally abuse me. And then me go lap up with them. Sit down and up. No.
Like it's okay.
No. Me not do that. You understand? So therefore, henceforth, I will not be a part of it. Me want an award show, me do it for my platform and award the people that will watch me and support me. That's my award show for 2024. We test it out in a 2023, you know.
Yeah.
Me award the same people them where them get up and cuss.
Our supporters.
Come make me award, you know. Understand? So it's gonna go. Whatever me get myself involved in has to have some type of standard. Nah, not nowhere a free for all. No. Whatever my name I go upon, there have to be some type of standard to it. I will not. I mean, I don't care who I go come drag me. Tomorrow, the day after, my money.
We spend it how we want.
My support. I will not. I repeat again, I will not be a part of that.
Nope.
And it probably won't make a difference. I don't think that me go stop no show. That's not what me come here to say. Me come here to say, me just not gonna be a part of it.
That take myself away.
Yes. And it's not just for we.
Nope.
I for me auntie to me proud for say that kind of body. Now gonna make me turn against somebody that I have so much admiration for, where I do something about people and them lives in my country. If you're not going to hate me forever for that, fine.
So be it.
If you don't stand for something, you fall for anything. And this girl ain't easy to fall back. This girl cannot be bribed. Nobody can pay me off. You can't afford me to pay me off. Understand? When it comes to my people and my country and people that me care about, there's no price on it. No bribe. Nothing can bribe me. You understand? Me's the type of person like this. If you give me a ride, and you got throw attitude behind it, me we come out and walk. Yes. Don't do nothing for me if it not come from my heart. Because when me do for people, it's from my heart.
Genuine.
Me not talk about it. Even if me and your cuss, me not take it and tell you. Me choose where me spend my money. Me choose where me send my child to school. Me make decisions in my life, and social media is no exception. Understand? Yes. Me choose who me associate myself with. So, again, no hard feelings, Miss Princess. But no this girl right here, that's where I draw the line.
No hard feelings, and again, we appreciate you, the nomination, but again, we will not be accepting it. We will not be coming.
Exactly. And life?
We decline.
Yes, that offer.
Yes. Respectfully, we decline.
Yes. All right. That's all. Anybody have anything to say to me? Anybody?
That's right. One point to nation.
Tanisha. Yes. I can't stand it, people. I 8 it, I 9 it, I 10 it when people get up and cuss the people in my country. From me ear that I can't go no further. I'm allergic to it. Yeah? There's good and bad in every country. I not talk about bad dirty people them, but I know a whole heap of good people in our country. They cuss the people them for the pothole like them a government. So no pothole not there foreign. And that will not try to tell the people them say. Everything gonna get up and cuss them. And you have so many people in my country that I live we're better than honor, and we're more ambitious than honor, and would do so much better with the opportunity one day I waste time with. But yet I get up and cuss them. Huh? Thank you, Stacey Campbell.
Thank you, Stacey.
That's all I come out for say tonight. Nothing adding and nothing take away. I bring on her back from where all of this started. The so-called war. You understand? I know that we've been targeted because of association, and nobody now gonna stop me from talking to me auntie, from talking to your majesty, for support them, for support Miss Lothian, for support the other queens, them Panyaf, Rose, all of them. But they not gonna top me from good on a 99 go get me cake, ma'am. Nobody not gonna do it.
We'll still be there.
Nobody not gonna do it.
If we want to go, we will go.
Understand me? Nobody not gonna stop it.
No.
When Uno do something to me directly that we can't sort out behind the scenes and go with separate ways and wish each other well, until then, no girl on social media, no boy on social media can't tell me who for support. You understand?
We will continue to support who we want.
And feel like them can bully we into submission.
That's not going to happen.
Nothing no go so. And think we're afraid of lawsuit threat. Think again. And you better think wisely.
Think hard.
And think hard. Big up on yourself. Big up on everybody. Whether you comment negative or positive, big up on yourself. Any disrespectful commenting on this? No, say I block and delete. Me not come out can argue with no girl or no boy. Like me say, when Master Baker come out, and take it out. If you have a problem, take it up with her. Chocolate now have no time. Yeah.
We will not be responding.
Master Baker is not in a war. Master Baker is all about fun and laugh and entertain the people them. If you get injected in it, I because you come for me. I may never send for you. Nope. So, I may now come out, you come sit down and go up under nobody and class nobody. Because my mother never raised me like that. Yes. And me still fear God. Yes. So me now come out here. Come lower myself. And anybody me now look upon. Because Master Baker only deal with bakers. And so-called bakers. So if he's not a baker. Nobody think Master Baker. I go inject you in it. She I go act like she not see you. Me just tell you about Master Baker. Yeah? We not look upon everything with Allah. And every dog bark, me look. Understand? Yeah. We're not in that. We just want to stay over here. Have a praise and worship. Entertain with people them. Give back when we can. And continue living with happy life. You understand? You're despicable human being. Have the nerve to come talk about we do foursome. We don't live the same life that you live. We live in love. I'm from a loving family. When me see my sister them, me throw my foot over them. When me see my sister them, me run my finger through them ear. When me see my sister them, me kiss them all over them face. And that the kind of family me come from. When me see my brother them, me greet them with a hug and a kiss. And that the kind of family me come from. And if my mother was alive, she used to kiss me upon the lips. That's the kind of family. I'm not afraid for hug vanilla. Because I know I have no sexual.
None. No sexual attraction.
I don't look at no sexual attraction. I'm not into vagina. I'm into sausage. Understand? And my brother-in-law, who's like a brother. It's like my brother, my little brother. You're sick in your damn head. Go know what love is.
That's nasty.
Let God into your heart so you can know what love is. So know you can have a female friend. And don't have to go wrap up in a bed. When me and Vanilla go wrap up in a bed for Ando.
Right.
Sick. Sick.
You need to seek help.
No offense to anybody that live that lifestyle because I don't discriminate from people and the choices that they make in life. You understand? No discrimination. But when it comes to me, I know what I like. You understand? Yes. Pass the place. And me must go upon a plane. And come on. Play hypocrite. Well, we're going to smile at each, smirk at each other? No. Not in my cabinet. Yes, small-minded people, Marvette. Yes, small-minded people. People lack love. Yes, Ping Ping, big up yourself. But guys, that's all I have to say. I'm not coming back for talk on this. My decision final. Me's not a woman where you can bribe with nothing. When I make up my mind, that's it. That's it for me. You understand? That's it. Like I said, no, we're not going to normalize bad behavior. No. That's not going to happen.
And as we said before, we're not stopping anybody from going wherever they want.
No.
You can go, you're free to go wherever you want. And we are free to go wherever we want.
Support who you want to support. We have the same God-given rights to support who we want to support. And be where we want to be. Yes? We have 5 credits, 6 credits I got give away to some lucky callers tonight. That's it. I mean, we know the crowd they here because they want hear. But we have to say, that's what we have to say. I'm not playing no hypocrite and right, but no. None of that. Yes, sir. It's business. Oh, and I have one advice for the people them. This is something I'm giving to you all for free. For the platform holders who own Airbnbs in Jamaica, it's just an idea. Try to put together with your supporters a vacation club. Try to find the people them that travel to Jamaica multiple times a year and form a club like you would have a country club. Kind of like what the country clubs them do. If you know what I say. And when you form that travel club, you can have a membership fee to that club. But you're going to have to offer some perks in there, right? So you get 50 people. These are your solid 50 people who travel to Jamaica every year, multiple times a year. Often, right? You set up your calendar, and they form the group. They have access. Everybody can see that calendar. You have a fee, just like how somebody would subscribe to your channel and pay a subscription. They pay a membership fee. And you offer certain perks. Whether you're going to have a driver to drive you for you will have a driver if you book. These are just ideas, not say I saw you have to do it, but just give you some tips. Come with a driver, or somebody come, you have a chef that come and prepare you meal for certain amount of days. Because you have to do it based on the fee, the membership fee that you're charging. So whatever it's going to work out to in your best interest, then you'll offer certain perks like that. Not only that, but when you have that group, people becomes friends. Yeah? And sometimes people will all couple up together to go to your property if you have more than 1 bedroom. You understand? So that's just an idea for the people them that owns Airbnb with all the fees and stuff that they're implementing. Though that's a way out of it to get your fees right there with solid people. Yeah? No bird head, solid people. Yeah? So that's free. Thank me later. Our Lady V. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. So yes, like a country clubs kind of thing. And you have your members. And the good thing about that is all them people, they know who is, sleeping in them beds, using that kitchen. You understand? And make sure, want to have comfortable beds in your Airbnb. Understand? Make sure the beds are comfortable. Yes. All right. That's a tip for y'all. All right. We're going to give you 5 credits and get out of here. Yes. I love you guys. If I missed you tonight, Sandy K, big up yourself.
Sandy K.
Yeah.
Hey.
Big up yourself.
Sam.
Sam. Big up yourself, Faye. Big up yourself. We're gonna give away a little some 6 credits. Michelle.
Thank you for the credits. Thank you for the stars.
Yes.
Credits.
We're gonna give away some credits and get out of here. I'll see you guys back on the weekend. So it's very simple tonight. There are 2 balls. It's 50-50. 2 balls. Number what?
I'm gonna look. I don't remember. No.
Right, they can give membership discount. There you go. You get the drift of what I'm saying. Yes, you get membership discount. You can offer referral incentive if they refer somebody, a solid person, and this person books with you for such and so many days. There is a discount on that person's next trip. Not saying that's exactly how you're going to do it. You're going to do what works for you. I'm just here to tell you.
So to get enough people, you could also do a referral.
That's what I just said. A referral. Yeah, a referral. Yeah, the referral thing. Yeah, not to cut you off.
No.
We just didn't want
I wasn't paying attention. I was paying attention to the numbers.
Okay, yes. Yes, so those are things you can offer. You can offer a driver and say, okay, you have certain amount of miles. You know, these are just things you can consider just to help out my fellow, what's the name? Fellow social media influencers. Yes, that's another way to think about it. All right. Yeah. Big up on yourself. All right, I'm ready for call. The phone line open. 50,
all right, 50. The numbers are 1 and 4.
1 and 4.
So if you want some credits, the number is pinned at the bottom. Click see more.
Yes, the phone are ring already. Hello, good night.
50-50.
50-50. Good night.
Good night. Good evening.
Good evening. What? We have number 1.
1 and 4. Number 1 and 4.
We have 1 and 4. Number 4, she said. 4. All right.
1.
1, Queen 1. Sorry. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hi, good night.
What number?
Number 4.
Number 4.
Number 1.
Number 1. Oh, no. Come on. It's 50-50. It's not hard. Hello, good night.
Good night for you.
Good night. What number can I get you?
Number 1.
Number 1. Let's do this.
Number 1.
Number 1. Who's this?
Latoya.
Latoya, you're lucky. All right. Text with your name and telephone number. Telephone service.
You're welcome.
Right. You know, somebody need to go bathroom over there. Hello, good night.
Good night.
What number can I get you?
4.
4, all right. We're spinning for 4.
Number 4.
Number 4, who's this?
Patricia Lama.
Patricia, all right. Congratulations, Patricia. Text us your name, telephone service, all right?
Congratulations.
Right. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night.
What number can I get you?
Number 1.
Number 1. Spinning for number 1.
Number 1.
Number 1. Who's this?
Patricia.
All right, Patricia. Text us your name and telephone service, all right?
All right, thank you.
Congratulations.
Hello, good night. The phone's blowing up, so I have to go fast. Hello, good night.
Good night.
What? Number 1. All right, we're spinning for number 1. Uh-oh. All right, sorry. Which number is that? Vanilla, because the phone's going.
1.
Number 1, who's this?
Natasha.
Natasha, text us your name, telephone service, all right?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Congratulations.
Let's go.
2 more.
Hello,
2 more.
good night. Hello, good night. Number 4. Spinning for number 4.
Yeah.
Come on. There it is.
Okay, she got number 4.
Number
but you're-
1. Number 1.
Oh,
Sorry.
number 1. Oh, sorry.
Number 1.
Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello. Hello, good night.
What?
Number 1.
Number 1, all right. Number 1, spinning for number 1.
Number 4.
Number 4. Let's go. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
What number can I get you?
Number 1, please.
Number 1, all right. We're spinning for number 1.
Number 4.
Number 4. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night.
What number can I get you?
Number 1.
Number 1. Spinning for number 1.
Okay.
Number 4.
Number 4. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
What number can I get you?
Number 4.
Number 4. Let's go.
Number 4.
Number 4. Who's this?
Ariana.
Ariana. Go ahead and text us your name and your telephone service, all right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
What number can I get you?
Good night.
Good night. What number can I get?
Number 1.
Number 1. All right, we're spinning for number 1.
Number 4.
Number 4. Hello, good night.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, number 1.
Number 1. All right, we're spinning for number 1.
That one came up quick. Number 1.
Number 1 are called dropped. How many more we have?
That was
to go?
it.
All right, an extra 1. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
What number can I get you?
Number 4.
Number 4. All right, we're spinning for number 4.
Number 4.
Number 4. Who's this?
Marvin.
Congratulations, Marvette. Text me your name and your telephone service, all right?
Congratulations.
All right. Congratulations, everyone. That's the end of it. We'll be back over the weekend with some more credits or praise and worship. I love you guys, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. You all have a blessed night. Chocolate and vanilla out. Big up on
Love you guys. Have a
yourself.
blessed night. Take care of yourself.
Yes, Marie
Marvin.
Stewart. How you doing? A lucky thing. Lady always speak things before they happen. Okay. Yes, she always speak things before they happen. Oh, yes, man. Stay
Jennifer
blessed to
Gooden.
Elizabeth
Elizabeth
Francis. Love you guys. Have a wonderful rest of the night, all right? Big
Yes.
up on yourself.
Big up. Love you guys.
Good
Bye-bye.
night.